Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the breakout rooms in Microsoft Teams. So as you know before, we have breakout rooms during the meeting. The new feature in Teams now is to create the breakout rooms before the meeting. So if you have any scheduled meeting, you can just click on this meeting and you will find a new tab named breakout rooms. So if you click on the breakout rooms, now you can create and manage your breakout rooms before you start the meeting. So I will click on create rooms. I will create 2 rooms. Then I can just click on these 3 dots and edit. Then I can rename this group to like group A and second one to group B. You can name as you wish. And you can create as many groups as you want. Then you can click on assign participants. I don't have any part of this team. That's why this one not enabled. So if you have any one on your teams, you can just click on assign participant and you can assign them to any group. You can anytime click on this to delete these rooms. You can just click on this to recreate the room, and you can click on add to add new rooms. You can also click on this settings, so you can assign presenter to manage the room. You can enable or disable this one as you want. You can set a limit per hour and minutes. You can automatically move people to the room, so when you start the meeting it will automatically go to the rooms. I will not enable it. Let people return to the main meeting, so you will give the students the option to return back to the main meeting. I will keep it off. Let me join the meeting and let us check if we have these groups in the meeting. So I join the meeting. How I can find the breakout rooms? As you can see, this is the breakout rooms. So I can click on this breakout rooms and I can find my groups here. I can anytime edit during the meeting, also rename, assign people, delete. I can do everything also during the meeting. If you have any question, please let me know. Thank you and have a great day.